Hey guys, welcome back to DG Makes Math Easy. This is Donisha Gordon, and this is our 3-a-day multiple choice marathon every weekday. So Monday to Friday, we come here at 3 p.m. and I would have worked 3 CSEC questions for you. Only multiple choice questions, only 3. I hope you've been enjoying it so far. I hope that you have been truly benefiting. Don't forget to share with someone else, as we all want to achieve this together and do well in our exams. So let's go. We have started the 2019 paper. Today, I think this is episode 7, yes. And we'll be going through questions 19 to 21. Also, don't forget to join us on Saturday night for Saturday Night Live with DG Makes Math Easy. We'll be also doing paper 2 questions. Every week it's a different topic, so do not miss that either. All right, so here goes. We move to question number 19. And this question says, a dinner at a restaurant was advertised at $60 plus 18% tax. What was the total bill for the dinner? So where exactly are we heading? We are looking at the original cost at which it was advertised, so that's $60. Plus, we're looking at the 18% tax. So our tax, if we calculate that, is going to be 18% of $60. All right, and we can go ahead and start to simplify. This is a question 1 paper, so you don't have your calculator, so everything is gonna be just your brain. All right, so we can go 10 into 100 goes 10 times, 10 into 60 goes 6 times. We can also further simplify, whichever way you want. 2 into 6 goes 3 times, and 2 into 10 goes 5 times, and now we have 18 times 3 gives us 54 divided by 5. Let me bring my equal sign down a bit. And that's going to be $10.80, because you would have gotten 10 and 4/5, and 4/5 as a decimal is 0.8. All right, so that's 10.8, $10.80. And so our total bill, total bill is equal to $60 plus our tax, which is $10.80. And once we add those, we are going to end up with $70.80. And question 19 is done. Question 20. So let's just get our screen cleared so we can move on. And number 20 says, at a sale, each book was marked $3 off the original price. Daniel paid $46 for 2 books that had the same sale price. What was the original cost of one of his books? So the original price would be, we don't know it yet, so we are going to call that X. And then for our new price, since we know that it is $3 less than X, we're going to call that X minus 3. Okay. Now, Daniel paid $46 for 2 books, which means that since the question asks us what is the original cost of 1 book, we need to know how much Daniel paid for 1 book. So that's going to be new price for 1 book is going to be $46 divided by 2. and that gives us $23. All right, so new price is $23. And as we have written before, our new price was also equal to x minus 3,
which is $3 less than the original price.
So we can replace the words new price with x minus 3. So x minus 3 equals 23. And once we solve that, let's say by adding 3 to both sides, then we will have x equals 26. X is the original price of one book. We're done. So that means our answer would have been D. Feel free to pause and write, pause and take notes as I will now move to the next question. The final question for today is going to be number 21 on the May 2019 past paper. And this is going to test if you know how to add fractions and specifically
Algebraic fractions.
Very well. I will insert in the description a link to 2 videos I did previously, which would have been operations with fractions, basic operations, and then a video specifically for algebraic fractions. All right, so you can get more practice there. Here we go. So we have 1 over 5x, I'm just going to rewrite here, plus 2 over 3x. What is our LCM? These fractions have different denominators, which means we need to make the denominators the same.
So what can 5x and 3x go into? The lowest common multiple.
That's going to be 15x. And you can always split these apart. So you go with the numbers first. What's the LCM for 5 and 3? 15. What's the LCM for x and x? Obviously x. All right, so we need to ensure that both our denominators now turn into 15x. What do I do to 5x to turn into 15x? Multiply by 3. Whatever I do to the denominator, I must do it to my numerator. What can I do to 3x to make it into 15x multiplied by 5? Do the same thing to the numerator. All right, this may not be where we discuss why we have to do the same thing to the numerator and denominator, but of course, you'll also see that in the videos that I'll attach. All right, once you change the value of your denominator, it has changed the value of your fraction overall. So you must do the same thing to the numerator. So our new fractions now are 3 over 15x and 10 over 15x. Bingo! Now that our denominators are the same, we can just add our numerators, 3 plus 10, which would give us 13 over 15x. And that is our final answer, D. All right, so join me again tomorrow for our 8th episode of 3-a-day multiple choice questions. Again, look out for Saturday Night Live. Guys, stay tuned. That means you should subscribe and also click the bell so that you can get early notifications when the videos are posted. It's every day at 3 o'clock, 3-a-day multiple choice questions. I'll see you tomorrow. It's goodbye from DG Makes Math Easy.